The Frying Pan Tower Hotel is renowned as one of the world's most perilous accommodations. Perched on the Atlantic Ocean, approximately 55 kilometers off the coast of North Carolina, USA, it was originally a lighthouse operated by the U.S. Coast Guard. After being abandoned, the property was purchased by an individual named Richard Neal for a mere $85,000 at an auction. Reaching this unique hotel can only be achieved by motorboat or helicopter. Situated 27 meters above sea level, the hotel's surrounding railings are not particularly high, making a single misstep potentially treacherous. Below the hotel, schools of sharks are known to frequent the waters.